Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to draw a chameleon. Let's start the chameleon with the back curved line. So this is the back of the chameleon curving around into the tail. I suggest start with drawing with a pencil, and we're going to turn that curve into a spiral to finish off the tail. Once we've done the tail, we're going to start with the back and then into the leg that's holding the branch. Remember, you can pause this at any time you need to. And now I'm drawing the front hand, the belly, the bottom of the face is a curved line coming up and around. Then I've got the mouth drawn here, then the top of the head, and then the bump on the chameleon's head, and then just finish joining that up with the back. Now I'm just putting a little dot for the eyeball, and then an oval shape, and then another almost oval shape for the eye sticking out of the head, and then a few extra little lines. Now some wrinkle lines underneath the mouth, and then we've got some little zigzag lines getting slightly bigger as we get towards the front of the mouth underneath. Next up, we're going to do the zigzags on the back again, starting with the small ones and then getting bigger, slightly bigger as we go up the back, and keep them all the same sort of height. It's like a little zigzag line. So far I've used curved lines, zigzag lines. Now it's time for the branch, and it sort of curls around and goes between his hands there, as you can see. Now time to put the cool little patterns on his back. They're almost like a pizza type shape or a triangle, but keep them a little bit irregular, not perfect triangles. And they do get thinner and smaller as we work our way around the tail. If you want to share your picture that you've drawn with me, you can do that via Instagram at Peter Evans Art. And who knows, your picture could feature in one of my videos. I would love to see some fan art. There we have a chameleon ready for some colouring. Till next time, hope you have a great time drawing a chameleon. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, thanks, bye, see ya.